sisters, I want to testify about a fundamental law. Full band kicks it with a massive funk groove. That's right. Lost a little less than you thought you would. You call that news, you think that's good. You face one trial, was misunderstood. Honey, that's a story for the neighborhood. You put a single coin inside a digital vault. Now you're looking at me like it's all my fault. Ha! You must be new to this game, 'cause every time the ending is the same. Go on and fly, baby, reach for the stars. Go tell your story in a million bars. But there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so don't you even try. Oh, gravity,
pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. All the believers, they're holding on tight, staring at the green with all of their might. The chart looks like a supernova in the sky, a beautiful explosion, but we all know why. It's the final flash before it fades to black. A one-way ticket and there's no coming back. No, don't lie, baby, put on a show. Go on and glow, baby, everybody knows that there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so wave it all goodbye. Oh, gravity,
Pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. What goes up?
Must come down.
Yeah, what goes up?
Must come down.
Oh, I feel it pulling down, 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 down. Oh, that sweet, sweet gravity.
Alright, place your bets, folks. I already know my hand. They're going all in on a pocket full of air, a flashy press release, and a wing and a prayer. Think they got a royal flush, a can't miss thing, pushing that stock up, listen to the choir sing. But I'm on my second beer, ain't even worried none. This high stakes gamble's already been won. Go on and push your chips, I kinda love the show. Higher and higher, baby, let the good times roll. But every party's got an ending when the music's thin. That's when they all realize the trouble they're in. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, 'cause I don't need a rocket, I don't need a peak. My bread and butter is a company that's looking weak. The lower that it goes, the bigger that I grin, watching all my pretty little winnings rolling in. Go on and cheer it on, I wanna see the height. Yeah, light it up, baby, make it burn real bright. 'Cause the brighter that it burns, the faster it'll fade. And that's the foundation of the trades I've made. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south, it starts to slip and slide. That's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. It ain't about the glory, it ain't about the fame. It's about knowing the rules to a different kind of game. While they're all looking up, my eyes are looking down, 'cause that's where the real treasure in this town is found. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south, it starts to slip and slide. That's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. King of the dip, yeah, they can have the peak. I'll take the valley every time. You know the steps. Ha, let's get it. 6 a.m. the coffee's hot and brewing. Scanner's light is cutting through the ruin. Found the one, that diamond in the rough. What's on the crypto treasury? Ain't that funny stuff? They're buying in, they think they struck some gold. About to watch the greatest story ever sold. The volume's pumping so loud and clear, but I hear a different rhythm in my ear. And oh, I see it climbing, what a scene. 1,000 buyers glued up to the screen. But I ain't sweating, nah, I'm cool and calm, 'cause the DJ's about to play my favorite song. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. The fadeaway funk. The FOMO's kick and see them lose their heads, believe in every single word that's said. Our earnings call a wild success. It just means the company's a slightly smaller mess. I find my entry clean and so precise. Don't have to think it over, don't have to check it twice, 'cause I've seen this movie, baby, and I know the end. Here comes the final scene, my friend. Oh, I see you topping out, what a view. The panic setting in for the whole darn crew. But I ain't selling, baby, I'm just getting warm. 'Cause this is just the quiet before the storm. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Some people call it gambling, say it's just a guess, but this ain't random, baby, this is chess. It's a rhythm, it's a beat that I can feel. The pump is the illusion, but the fade is real. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Come on, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Oh, the fade away, funky bassline and how much come down, now down. Yeah, that's the one, just like that. Fade away funk.
Fade away funk. Good morning, Green Team. Good to be back with you guys this Monday morning. Now, Last Monday was hectic, right? I mean, the market opened and there was volume scattered everywhere. So Mondays are typically like that. Got to let the dust settle and see, where the plays are going to be. I like the plays that were hot on Friday. Some of those plays that I try to step in front of, and now is kind of the time maybe to fade those names. Last week's plays. That's how Mondays oftentimes are for me. Like everything else is trying to pump up, like the RDHL I just pointed out right now. You had GNLN, REPL's heading up for 10. There's some easier plays out there, but good to hear that you guys are working the profits already in pre-market this morning. Not surprised. Not surprised with the green team. Let's see where REPL's at right now. We got it at 940s, kind of sitting there, still stair-stepping a little bit. A lot of press releases. So they come out with their PRs oftentimes on Mondays because that's where a lot of the volatility is. But yeah, we got a few plays to go over, some hangover setups and whatnot. So we're about to dive straight into it this morning. But perfect fall, good to hear you working that Q and green this morning. Uzo in the building, RPL chopped you up into the daily pause. You focused in a little bit too much on it, huh? It's something that I was actually gonna bring up this morning. I think it's I don't know if this was you on REPL, but naturally my inclination is, that I have to fight against is I want it, quickly. I want to hit the Q quickly. I want to hit, big day. I want it to happen fast. I want to get it on this one ticker. So I'm trying to process that and say, Kevin, you know what? Even if you find your best setup, just start small and then size into it. You just want to play the series, not the individual hands. But we can talk about that with our good buddy Fades, who's in the wings, who's got his new computer all set up and ready to go, and you are looking sharp on that.
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
Good morning. Yeah, it's going.
Monday's here. I'm back at
It
it.
is.
Back on the saddle.
I miss being over there, man. That was too much fun last week.
Yeah, that was awesome. It was a fun week for sure.
And that breakfast you made, that was like none other, man. If you weren't a trader, you could be a sous chef somewhere, that's for sure.
Yeah, dude, I've been cooking up some good stuff after like working at home all the years. Like I used to eat out all the time, but it's so expensive now and it's so trash. I'm like, man, I can eat 3 times better for 3 times cheaper. So
right,
that's how I look at it.
Absolutely. And similar to trading, we can trade a little bit less to make more on the better setups.
Exactly. That's what it's all about, guys. Just identifying better setups. I mean, not over trading.
Yeah. So
what are you guys looking at right now? Repl, I heard you talking about Repl is one that I'm kind of keeping an eye on. Let me take a look at this scanner here.
I think 1020. I learned my lesson Fades on Friday where it was rainy that went to 220. And it's like I should have just had a order there. I think I'm going to start doing that more often. And even do this GNLN. This is a line, guys, that
this thing's heavy.
I didn't put on there this morning. I mean,
look at that sloppy pop again. Wow, it's just selling off. It's gonna reclaim.
Yeah. It's so I want to go ahead and knock out a couple plays I'm looking at from last week. I tried the ARTV and just couldn't get it to work. But look at this setup today, dude. This ARTV looks like a beautiful hangover. I mean, it did its liquidity move.
Yeah, I was looking at that one earlier. ARTV.
I think
it's kind of interesting as well.
Yeah,
it's still sleepy, but it's still hanging around.
Trickling under 2 now. Yeah, that was, dude. Good was my only winner on Friday out of like 6 trades. It was awful.
Yeah, it was a weird Friday. For sure.
I thankfully just called it.
That, Yeah,
That's where I think we've been leveling up, you and I. I mean, it's the difference maker. If on the red days you just step away or size down, like it makes the huge difference.
It really does. It really does, man.
STI's weird. I mean, this one's battery play, right? Coming back up a little bit.
Is that the one we got chopped out on Friday?
Yeah.
like fake this out. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, how's it looking
but
now?
you and
Yeah.
I were looking at like 3 weeks ago. This Pally, look how heavy it looks on this 170 line. Let me pull it out,
Mm,
spotlight it. Look how heavy that thing looks right there.
that's Pally.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Pally's heavy on 170, but it's a slower one. It's heavy on 170.
Okay.
But again, I just keeping like these plays from weeks on the watch list. Just I like to flip through them. Right now, RDHL's pumping up, guys.
Yeah,
RDHL.
we're
It came
seeing that bio theme, right? Like that's what's been
mm,
running lately, like the biotech, like the all that kind of sector. I noticed that.
yeah.
Green Lane sloppies right now dumping. Look at that.
Which one? Is it REPL? Dang.
You know, Green Lane.
And 9. Yep. Oh, it's because it's got green in the name.
Yeah, right.
That was like last week. Uh, yeah, Uzo, you're gonna be fine. I mean, just recognize what happened. You know, it's you should have taken like 2 losses on REPL and just moved along. It's hard to do that. It really is because it almost because look at what it's doing now. You know, and it's you kind of know it's gonna happen and
Ripple. Yeah, it's I guess like
10,
yeah,
20.
it's tough, man. It's tough. It's like oversizing or like only give yourself so much or let it breathe, right? If it doesn't work like once
Yeah.
or twice, like revisit.
hmm
Yeah, and it helps to like be focused on other tickers, you know, be sprinkled somewhere else, like watching something else as well. But
Well,
yeah,
if you have like I have a 250 max loss on the day, so like per trade, you know, you just define it. Like maybe I'm only willing to give this one ticker like half of that, you know.
hmm
But I'm not going to go 250 max on one trade. That's just for
yeah,
me. Like I've learned my lesson too many times on that.
yeah.
And but yeah, you'll be good. You'll be good. AZTR already hit the magic 20s and failed off of that. I mean, it's not up enough, really. Like percentage wise, you know, 70 to $1 right now. I mean, there's
Say something was there?
Rose.
Oh, baby. Let me see what I'm seeing here. Yeah.
Rainy, I think, is worth mentioning for sure from Friday.
Yeah, yeah, Rainy and Cooter, keep an eye on both of those.
Rainy
See.
is I don't know. I don't know with Rainy. This one take a look left here on Rainy. What are you guys' thoughts? I mean, we already hit this resistance in the 230s, 20s, but
It's been a grinder. It's pretty strong, so I want to see it like at Bell start to get heavy, probably.
250s. Yeah. I like the 220s. I mean, if we stay heavy against 220s.
Green Lane, what a piglet. Good lord. Pump and dump galore.
I know.
Beauty. Yeah, it was just small size leftovers. It just closed out again. Yeah, I mean, there's just not much more meat there, but it's just like, what a pig. Alright. Okay, let's see what we got here.
RDHL is the one that's up right now, and let me
Yeah, it's pumping too. RDHL.
4 million strategic investment in U.S. co-commercialization partnership deal.
Randy really has my attention because that thing ran like 400%. Rainy and then Red Hill, me watching that one as it's pumping, but it's a fresh pump into this time frame, which is a little sketchy.
I got 320 as resistance RDHL.
Do you? Okay.
Oh, a lot of good resistance. I'll spotlight that.
It pumped quick too, man. Is this about to dump right now? Treatment of Helicobacter pylori infection. Is it fluffy or is it good news? Let's break it down real quick. Delivering high quality products. Under terms and agreement, will form a new company. Red Hill will contribute assets to the new company. Will provide $4 million in investment capital. This is like basically like a merger. Is it kind of fluffy though? I mean, I'm only seeing 4 million and 8 million being dropped in the thing. I don't know what's the market cap here. Is this a pump and dump? What are we thinking, guys? Red Hill?
Red Hill. I mean, I suppose it's going to turn into a little hill, pattern wise.
Is it going to be a red hill or a green hill? Oh man, this thing's dumping.
Damn it, dude! 320. I was like, I gotta hit it against 320.
Is the news that good? Did you hit it?
No, I'm like, I was trying to figure out because if it's merger, it's
Yeah,
gonna
but
hold
it's
it up
not
a little bit.
stabilizing at that price though. It's like if it's a merger, it usually, well, no, I guess it's if it's a buyout that it'll stabilize. But this is kind of like sounds like a speculative merger. It could be a little,
Another company's investing $4 million, 30% ownership in its global business.
they have a known pump and dump history.
The Perfect Falls bringing the donuts today.
Old Red Hill. Let's see if it's gonna pump
Yeah,
here.
or you're right. You're right. It ain't a green hill.
Got that pump and dump vibe, but it's right now it's hard to like time of day is tricky to get involved. Fresh Warrior, Fresh Warriors, like
RDHL. What's the float on this? Float is 3 milli.
damn, Coot's dumping, but that stupid spread.
It's 4 cents on TOS. What is it on?
Like 8. There's a big wall at 194 and a bunch of sellers just went through 1/8. Red Hill
right.
pump and dump.
Rainy ARTV, I like out of the gates, guys. Rainy against 220s. ARTV, a pop would be great on ARTV. That was a tricky play on Friday, but it kind of looks like it's done its move now.
Which one is that, bro?
ARTV. I'm just going the
Yeah.
two hangovers I'm looking at. ARTV and Rainy.
Let me see if any fresh hangovers catch my eye.
And I mean, Coot, I like.
Yeah,
It's just been
Monday
trickling down.
hangovers can be weird too, right? Mondays can be kind of a weird hangover day, but it's all situational at the end of the day, guys. Like that's the thing about the market. You try to like identify something and then it changes. So, right, we're always adapting, always growing.
Yeah.
So APLM is the 5-day king.
I just gotta make sure I'm focused, dude, on these hangovers. Because look what I took my eyes off of OMER on Friday, and that thing was a slip and slide all day.
Yeah, I think what we hit on earlier Friday was really key. Like, it's so much easier to get involved in a hangover with less emotion than like trying to time that king of the day top. Like for example, like
Right.
not to point Uzo out, but like Repple like shortened the king of the day pre-market. The warrior herd can get rowdy and it can get dangerous, but like taking a hangover, you're set at risk.
Yeah.
It's more established. It's less emotional. So that's just something to note for sure.
Yeah, it's so easy to get distracted. Like even on this RDHL, so easy for me to get distracted, and I gotta like just focus on just making sure I at least get an entry on the other ones, and just in case they're gonna do their slip and slide and then
Yeah, for
divert
sure.
back.
Yeah, so APLM, STI, Rainy, PRAX, and Coot. Those are the top 5 hangovers, like 5-day hangovers. So we've already
PRAX,
touched on Randy and Coot. So we have PRAX. You touched on STI as well. So we got APLM and PRAX. How are those looking?
PRAX I really like. It's just so hard to like. This one, the risk, and it moves like
Yeah.
literally on TTP, dude. It's probably like a 1.5, 2 point spread. It's a hard one to get involved with, but dude,
Yeah,
it's
that's a
up
hard.
so much. Oh my god, it's up a lot. I could see this thing fading to like 120. But I don't know. And then APLN or APLD, which one was it?
APLM.
M. Okay.
Mhm.
Oh god, this one, healthcare ticker is up from like $3 to 40 in the last few weeks.
Yeah, what's the deal there?
This hardly trading with any volume.
This Red Hill, dude, what a piglet. This thing's dumping, brother.
I know. The gut was saying get involved, but the devil was like, "What's the news? What's the news?" You know.
Yeah. Be like that, bro.
Kevin, stop caring about the news. Doesn't matter.
Am I getting a
Sometimes.
confirmation message? Where do you you change the confirmation in the settings? I'm having to double confirm every trade now because my new computer.
Double confirm. Yeah. So go to the settings wheel. It's like bottom left, and then go to trading defaults, I think, or confirmations. No, confirmations and
Settings.
settings confirmations.
I don't even see settings, bro.
It's a settings wheel, bottom left of your trade the pool. Like there's a little gear.
Oh, okay. I think I see it now. Rose, get down. Rose trying to roast me. Okay, I see it now, yeah.
Dude, Red Hill's at 220. Oh my god.
I scalped it degenerately with small size, bro.
Yeah, it was you can get in, that's I always set the stops on them, so because they're either those are right or right out trades is how I define them. So it's like they will either snap and profit take and your entry is going to be good, or they may get a day two, green day on up, in which case you have a tight stop. But ideally what happens is like this Prax, for instance, if you were to trade the hangover here, the 190s being the stop for a much larger return here. If it starts popping up towards previous close, I mean, you're just out of it. And
Yeah, you just always have to have your stop set. But the tricky thing is sometimes with the hangovers, they're low volume. So you're fighting the 5% rule on the eval, and you're also fighting spreads on TTP. So, but overall, we see a lot of success. Like the success rate with them is very good, and the risk reward, like it's set. Like, the risk is set. So they do tend to work out well. In the long haul for sure.
I think
Yeah,
this
there's definitely risk
ARTV,
involved.
ARTV, I think could work really get down under 5 today.
Yeah, I
think
need
the
to
risk.
watch this here.
I think the risk here is like 590. But this is what I like to look for is
Did Red Hill just offer out, dude? Look at that piglet.
oh my god,
Dude.
dude, $2. Ah.
What a scam. Oh my god.
Might have to dead cat bounce this. No, I ain't doing that.
That's crazy, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Give me a Well, my 2 hindsight trades have been very green today.
Scam office.
Yeah, so ARTV, and then I'm gonna be patient and take one of these trades, and it's not gonna
We're gonna
work
get
out.
a theme like that. I mean, let's see what we're looking at here.
Yeah, dude. If the market sentiment is like that, as you're suggesting, bearish, we could see some of these.
Like the biotech pump and dump theme. So let's see what kings of the day. As far as king of the day, it's just Repl. So it's like.
And Repul's not even like a tiny float. That's 66 million in the float.
I saw one of my degenerate bull brothers from back in the day posted Beyond Meat. He was like pumping it over the weekend. That thing's up 60%. He's probably happy today.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, dollar sitting at $1.
Wrap Therapeutics up, Cells. It's like, yeah, it's that biotech theme for sure today. Let me pour some tea.
Yeah, man, grab me something.
You want some breakfast?
Oh, GSIT. Yeah, I saw that one. Is it getting some more? Yeah, it's getting some more volume behind it. Oh, we got a fresh pump. Yeah, she's getting some volume here.
How much is it?
5 to 770.
Smash it, 1,000 shares.
I'm starting to get some FOMO here. I might just smack something because I've already missed 2. GSI Technology to announce their earnings. Okay, computer.
It's just a sketchy time, guys. Be real careful. In the past, I've told myself that like 9 to like 10 is usually pretty sketchy, or at least like right into bell. See how things are gonna react. A lot of
GSI
times I get
Technology.
ambitious going into bell, right? Get ambitious going into bell, and then just give it up to the.
I know, dude. When you're like,
There.
check it out right now. It's hitting highs. Yeah, I agree, dude. Like right into the bell, and especially just a few minutes here. Like, why? Why just? Because if all the chats are gonna jump on this thing, it's
What is it? GSIT?
Yeah, just hit 820.
Okay.
Please hold up. I'm waiting 5 minutes.
And they had news.
Says its associative processing, computer, and memory architectures can match GPU level performance for large scale AI applications.
Huh. Coot, I think Coot is still one of my favorite hangover plays, just as well. It's still like I said, the data still checks out. It's still showing as an A plus because it's still up 500%. Or wait, no, 200% in 5 days off that seed oil theme. So like on the 5 day, that's the okay GSIT. Yeah, I know, I get it. You got that FOMO. Did it just put the wick in, guys? Was that the top wick?
820 just hit GSIT. Here we go.
Was that it?
I don't know, dude.
Why is it still giving me order confirmations?
I love how we just don't pay any attention to the news. Like as I'm reading it, I'm like, what the hell? And then you're just like moving on to. It's like, okay, this is a red hill.
Red Hill, yeah, Red Hill all over again.
Oh man, Magic 820. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to start sprinkling some size on some stuff.
Well, yeah, like we talked about, we can hit the stop. Someone was or set the stop. Someone was asking about that in Discord. Yeah, the power to do that, especially as a short, right? Like, cause then you can sprinkle pre and post market and not be stressed out. Cause like that wasn't even an option before, unless you were just a degenerate gambler, right? Because you couldn't manage your risk. Like now you can actually sprinkle multiple stocks and really like protect yourself, and set that up. So I gotta figure out.
Yeah, so I looked at your well, Byron actually messaged how to do that in the settings. Did you adjust that on the settings too, like the stops to all be stop limits?
No, I didn't.
Okay, you stopped.
I'm just trying to get this stupid thing to stop giving me confirmations right now.
Well, yeah. Oh my God, RDHL, dude, this thing is FOMO is kicking in, dude.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to size down every time I feel the urge.
Sized down and chased it, and it paid off. And that's what sometimes you have to do that. Sometimes you have to chase and just go really small, like, and then you can add to it or cut for a paper cut.
Yeah, on
But
eval.
it's like when you chase and you go too big and it goes against you is when it's a nightmare, right? That's when accounts are blown.
This thing would have got flagged to hell unfunded.
GSIT, if it cracks that 750, look out below. But it's choppy right now, guys. Right into bell here. Be careful. Yep, getting a little spike. So how do I?
The confirmations keep popping up.
I fixed it. I went to confirmations and I clicked everything off. Do I need to reset my platform, maybe.
So next time one pops up,
G-Sit. Is that the wick, guys? It just did a double wick. It's 9:30, but that was another big old wick right there. Probably gonna be, unless they wash it right here, I'm gonna have to let it go into Bill and just kind of watch it.
yeah, I'm saying what they say in the South: hell to the no. I ain't taking this 1 minute before the bell. Hell to the no. But it looks good.
That
It looks good
7.5
against
broke
820.
after it wicked, but they might just chop. They're probably gonna chop everyone around. Why is it not showing up?
ARTV and Rainy is what I'm
Only up
looking at out of the
50%
gates.
though.
Next time the confirmation pops up for you, there's a little box that should say like "Don't show this again," and you can click
I
that.
thought so, but it's not giving me that. It's weird. It's like the new computers having.
Maybe TTP is trying to slow you down.
Yeah, maybe I need to reset it or something.
Like, slow them down.
Yeah, they're like, oh, make them think about it.
Yeah. All right. So REPL is 9 is holding that support. I want to see 1020. I want to see 10 there really break. Emmanuel in the
Rebel,
building. Good
yeah.
morning. Good to see you in here. Just in time, Emmanuel. Per
Yeah,
usual.
Red Bull needs to show weakness before we really get in front of that train. GSIT is probably going to give it up here because it's up 50%, but it's not the king of the day. There's a few that are up more, and it's looking weak. So
I want to
it's
see
going
where
to be
the
a
Warriors
watching
attack.
into Bell here at that 750 level.
ARTV, I'm going to smack it probably at open if it's going to be close to that 6 level. And then Rainy, I like
Yeah,
that against the
Rainy.
220s.
Yeah. Rainy Coot, and GSIT are my top 3 right now to watch.
All right. That's the bell, traders. That is the bell, and my platform
Did it glitch again?
is now closed.
What the
right.
hell just happened?
Yeah, my level 2 just completely.
Yeah, I just lagged out. What the hell?
G sits at 825. Rainy's getting a spike up. Wonderful.
GSIT, halt up. My Weeble lag. That was weird, bro. So now it was Weeble instead of Trade the Pool that lagged? Are you kidding me? Like, what is this? Can't make this up, bro.
All right. Rainy, I'm involved 214 there. I'm going to set a stop at like high 220s.
Yeah, Rainy's gonna pop. I'd be careful with that one because it's just multi-day runner now at this point. Coot might be the play to just fade.
Value is, I'm having some issues here.
On which ticker?
Just when I'm trying to set a stop, it's saying value is less than a minimum 0.01. I'm not understanding that.
Yeah, GSIT trapped everyone and halted up.
Okay. I'm
Coot,
trying to get a
Coot's
stop there.
dumping. Rainy's pumping. Multi-day continuation. Why is this lagging? My data is off. Like
There was apparently broker like issues. Why does it keep saying value is less than 0.01?
Weeble and Trade the Pool are off now. I'm gonna look what Thinkorswim says.
I can't even get out of my position.
And what?
Give me a second. Rainy. I'm in Rainy.
It's going up, bro.
Yeah, I know I can't get
Trying
out.
to close out. Like hit the X button if you need to or something. Multi-day continuation. I don't like to see that. I mean, of course, it could be a classic trap and wash, but I'm not a fan of it. No.
Just resetting the platform here.
Okay. Yeah. So Coot is looking good for us. I'm gonna take that.
Okay, resetting worked. Now I can get a stop out.
Okay.
Stops going 233 on Rainy. Okay, that was scary. GSIT halted up. RDHL selling off. ARTV, great. Wonderful. Glitch kept me from getting in there.
Ah,
ARTV is working out. I mean,
is it? Oh
we
wow. Did
can
it halt down
risk.
now? Is that a halt down?
I don't think so. It's just a liquid spreading. 570 could be the risk guide there.
Rainy, maybe a death candle, guys.
Yeah, Rainy, I'm still with that one. Boy, I may even size into it, bro. Rainy. If that, well, I don't know if I can on the funded. Let me see. Yeah, Rainy, guys. Rainy's looking good here. It might even halt down. It had the pop and getting a little death candle here. I can't. Yeah, Rainy looking heavy. That's why we keep these still on watch. So let's monitor it around this level. A fast sell-off down under 2 is going to be probably the beginning, the end on it.
Yeah, that thing's starting to look heavy.
Under 2 is good. That's what I'm monitoring for, under 2.
It's pretty easy to set a stop now on that. If it reclaims that move, just get out.
ARTV is kind of depressing for me because I would have been in that had I not have been glitched. That one's ARTV's low 5s now. GSIT still
ARTV
halted up.
halting? Is ARVT halting?
I don't think so. Not yet. I mean, it still might.
GSIT resumption higher.
Yep, GSET hit 890 now.
Is it time to flip short?
Well, I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm. It's going to be sprinkling pretty small.
I mean,
750-ish is near the open. Let me look left here.
maybe it might not be not up enough. I mean, let's see. That was it a fake halt? Was it a warrior wash?
Yeah, it's hit. Dude, look at this resistance. I mean, it's hit pretty much that last time it jumped up here.
Yeah.
I think once we have a defined area, it's certainly worth a stab.
Is it gonna halt down now?
890 on GSET. Let me.
I think it's gonna halt down, bro. Jeez.
Yeah, there's no way to get involved with this here on the funded. If this is she's 3 milli, right, in the float. So just be careful with GSET if working that. So
After that candle, like I'd say, yeah, 820s, 830s is a good risk level. Even 8 probably.
Rainy popping up a little bit off of actually coming back up towards a little bit up close to the highs. 228.
Yeah, Rainy's tricky, man. Careful with that one. Definitely a tricky name. Warrior set
Yeah.
up on NUAI.
Back over 220s is Rainy. ARTV's been working well.
GSIT, I'm kind of working it small, vibing it out, looking for an elevator or the halt down there. I mean, that's a textbook chart, guys. GSIT. Here we go. Boom.
Under the lows. Let's go. Yeah, good work. Under the open, rather.
Yeah, you mean
Yeah, under that open. If you stay heavy down under that open, you're going to be pretty good here. 760-ish.
yeah, I took a little ARTV. That's working out well. Is it halted or just sleepy? Oh my god, they wicked it all the way back up. You piece of shit. Yeah, that sounds about right. It should fade from here. It's just gonna be choppy, but after that action, stop. Just gonna let my stop chill. What you guys working? How we looking? Yeah, GSIT, man, they better not play with us here, dude. This is Head and Shoulderville.
Yeah, it's 750, that area. We'll see what they
Oh my god, dude. Nasty.
I'm waiting for the 4 minutes on ARTV to maybe stab it against that for still a fade today.
Look at that reclaim GSIT, dude.
Unreal. Yeah. Wow. 750 straight up.
That's
They
brutal.
might send it to 10. So just careful with it. They might send it up there.
Yeah, that's
Get your
brutal there, guys.
stops up.
Brutal there. Let's see. What else we got to work?
Prax hit the previous close 190. It is down about 9 points. I know that's the one that's
Yeah, that's
sketchish.
another one that has a lot of meat to fade if it's going to.
You're right. Yeah, I like it. It's scary. It's a little scary, that one.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'm going to try to get a little fill on ARTV. I'll put an order out like 530s, but I'm only in rainy, dude. That's all I'm working right now. That's all I got.
Yeah. Yeah, I made some money on GSIT, but I got stopped out on that bullshit shop. So
Yeah, they're sending it straight up.
let me see.
Short accumulation into a halt up. GSIT halting up.
Yeah, that's brutal, dude.
NUAI, what's that? The energy play? What are they doing this morning? 580s, holding up at some resistance.
Yeah, that's my grinder.
I think I may be involved with that Prax. It's sketch, but
It's got a lot of room to fade, though.
it's got a massive
Yeah, it's got a
spread.
bunch of room to fade.
Pretty large spread on TTP.
I bet it is. ARTV, little pop there. Yeah, dead cat pop would be nice.
Rainy, I might have to give that one up. I mean, she just keeps buying back up.
Yeah, that's a multi-day grinder. It's annoying. Not a fan of it.
Yeah. Pretty much over 230s, I'll be done with it. It's well, now it's kind of snapping. It's like this thing just can't figure out what she wants to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll monitor the price action. I'm trying to get involved some on Prex, but
Yeah, I have a little coot working, a little ARTV working.
okay. Just a little scared with the Prex is all. Little coot working. Yeah, coot could be pretty good today. Again, I mean,
Little
it's just
cooter.
if the seeds just keep fading off, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. It's
Yeah,
kind of
ARTV maybe giving an entry up here.
could be.
I hate like it's hard to I hate involving myself when I don't get the entry I want, but it's could just size down and
Right. Yeah, that's what you have to do. Size down, but if you always wait for the perfect entry too, like you'll miss a lot. So
yeah,
like being like really small size and then like getting
yeah.
that feeler position, like when you kind of have to chase sometimes.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
gonna involve
I'm not
myself
blind
with
on that.
ARTV a little bit right here around 520. And I think I'm taking Rainy off. Not liking it.
Yeah, that thing's a grinder. We need to see it do something. Just faked everyone out again. That's annoying. Yeah, P-Rax though, I mean, what's the
P-Rax
volume
looks
like
so
on
good.
10? The spread is not bad on TTP right now, bro.
I know. It's just if today's the day it's gonna profit take, dude, she could be so profitable. Um, yeah. I could see it. I could see it that 190 holding up and just fading.
Yeah, I think I'll get involved just a starter.
Even yeah. Even on the funded, it still hasn't 8% of this would nearly be 20 points. So like you can kind of chase it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's tempting. It's tempting. It's tempting.
GSIT will be resuming soon, I think.
I think it's already resumed. GSET.
Oh, okay.
She just opened up. Be monitoring that, guys.
I'm lagging.
GSET. Oh my god, dude. This thing is all over the place. Oh my god. ANRO getting pumpy. ANRO.
Okay.
ARTV sloppy seconds appears to be working. I mean, it hit the VWAP, pulling back in a little bit. Okay,
Yeah,
G sit
yeah.
over 10. I mean, that could be the entry. I don't, God, I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. G sit. This is
Yeah.
it's about to look. I'll go like tiny, 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 tiny.
Nobody's those.
I'm gonna hit it very, very tiny. Up here around 10. I give it like a point, a wiggle room.
Why is this not going up? There it is. Yeah, the brokers, I've been having little issues today. Weird.
Smacking it a little bit more. Let me see. I want 1020s to hold, but I'll give it up towards 11. Rainy's working out.
Yeah, G-Sit's turning the king of the day, bro.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. As soon as she starts profit taking, man, it could be a wrap. But, until then, gotta be careful with it. I got over 11
Yeah.
kind of stop on it. I don't really want to see 11, 20s, 30s. That'll be it for me. It's
T-Rex is
holding up.
dead, dude. There's like no volume on that ticker.
Rainy start. Oh, which one?
Or is my level 2 like glitched out? Or maybe it is. I had like a disconnect or something.
G-Sit halted up. I got 1140 stop on it. Rainy's working out right now. I could hit that one again. 220s now. Those 220s are working out on Rainy.
Okay. My Weeble is lagging today for some reason.
Yeah, I think a lot of brokers have been lagging apparently today.
Which is another reason why you don't want to be trading at the bell. It's like this kind of stuff happens. It's
Yeah,
freaking
Weeble is
frustrating.
untradeable. Yeah, something's been going on.
Yeah, it's like that's what I use. Weebles just screwed me up today, dude. Like that just cost my ass. I couldn't see what's going on. I can't see my data. Frustrating.
NUAI worked out. That one was heavy.
Rainy rider ride out after at like high mid 2.2s. There's just so many wicks there. So
Right.
um,
That's what I was thinking too. Yep. I just adjusted the order, Rainy. ANRO at highs right now, ANRO.
T-Rex. No, T-Rex is. What the heck, dude? This is annoying, bro. Trade the pool's glitching. Like, what are we doing, guys? That's the worst too. Like on a Monday when things glitch out, like so frustrating.
I know, man. ANRO's at 8. Just shooting up through highs right now. ANRO. What's the float on this one? 24 million. Okay. Is it going to head up towards 10 now?
Usually, Trade the Pool's the one that's lagging, not Weeble. They'd bamboozle me, bro. It's like the upside down world this morning at Bell. Trade the Pool was fine, and Weeble was lagging. They got me good with that.
ANRO, I'm going to throw a 9 order out and scale it to 10. I'm going to see if they'll hit me up towards 9. GSET, we'll see out of the gates whether that one's going to profit take or make a next leg on up. Again, 11.
Yeah. Rainy could be on elevator watch.
ANRO got a fill.
P-Rax,
10 is-
I'm looking to get involved a little bit there as well.
ANRO got a fill. ANRO's just shooting straight up right now too. Mindful of that one, ANRO. It could gravitate up towards the 10.
Rainy dumping a little bit. Is it going to stay heavy? What's old Cooter doing? Churning.
Yeah, Rainy's
So
looking good.
So I got P-Rax, Coot, and Rainy now.
Coot and Rainy, gotcha. Rainy, GSET, ARTV, and ANRO here.
Coot has like no volume, so you got to be careful of that one if you're on eval.
GSET just took me out right on that open. It opened up at like near $12.
Yeah, GSET's just taking everyone out. That's just.
So I'll step out of the way there. ANRO is very interesting though. If all the volume is going to stay on GSET, I think ANRO is decent.
Okay, let me take a look. Up 50%. And then keep eyes on Repl. Is that thing just sitting around?
That's right, REPL. Yeah, no, can't forget about good old Repl.
What an annoying one. Dude, that what was it? That Gissel? Yeah, that reclaim was disgusting, bro. And that's what happens in Bell, man.
Repl, I like that move against 950. You just pointed that out. Repl 950 could be heavy against that.
Yeah. How strong is the news there? Because yeah, it is giving very definitive risk levels here. And it looks like it's got a good bit of volume too. Hey, so what's it gonna do here?
Repl, I'm gonna try that against the 950s. It kind of upper wick there.
Yeah, I like it too. Just a small sprinkle because today's been kind of but that one is feeling heavier now.
ANRO
just put in that wick
920.
9.5.
Yep.
Rainy looks heavy.
Yep. ANRO against 920. Guys, by the way, ANRO against 920 is looking okay. It might reduce my risk there.
Coot. Little spike here. Might give an entry. Thing's been hanging around 2 for longer than I'd liked it, though. So the more it hangs around 2, the less I'm a fan of it. Coot.
Yeah, if it starts basing out there, I can see that.
I think P-Rax, dude. P-Rax for that sleepy fade today.
I know. I love it. I love it.
That looks great, dude. From $60, it's like, as long as it doesn't snap back here soon and spike, like, it might really unwind. And then Repple, there's a Sienna seller at 9.2 right now. Is that the new top? Let's see. No. Did it get bought or was that a spoof? I can't even tell because my stupid Weeble. This is when I need to be able to flip over to Thinkorswim, but I didn't download that yet. I got my iPad.
Yeah, and Rowe shooting straight up right now too. Might gravitate towards that 10. It looks like the liquidity and Rowe.
Yeah. Oh, is the Weeble scanner even accurate at this point? Like, is Weeble just a total wash for the day?
Man,
Oh.
I'm trying to get some of these green trades to work, but like,
Yeah, it's things are working against me today here. I don't even think my scanner's up to date because nothing's even moving. Like this is crazy, dude. Weeble, my level 2, my order book, and my scanner have just been no all morning. Like just forget about it. So I'm pretty much got my hands. I'm basically back to square one without my computer, guys. Who else is in chat having these issues, man? This is stupid. Connection ping on I'm showing 22 ms. Yeah, this is retarded, man. That's so annoying. Repple guys looking a little heavy.
I gotta roll to TTP right now, though, man. God,
All right, brother. Keep
I
it
gotta leave you.
pushing.
I gotta leave you
Yeah,
here.
it's all good. We'll link back up. Keep in
Yeah.
touch in the Discord, guys. Just stay safe, stay accountable. A little choppy morning so far, but that's to be expected at 9:30, 10 o'clock. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had
know
a
what you're
shot
getting into
fest
when you
here,
trade at that
but
time.
trying to work REPL if that's gonna work. But
Yeah, let's see it break 9. That would be nice, but it's been churning out and holding strong, so don't get too comfortable.
yeah, guys, stay in the Discord if you want to keep up. I'm gonna head over to Trade the Pools channel and be on there with Mr. Noss here for about an hour. But otherwise, guys, stay safe, disciplined in the face of this adversity that we're seeing right now. But otherwise, yeah, we'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in the morning.